Intermittent fasting is a meal timing strategy where you restrict your food intake to a certain time frame of the day. Whoa, just a minute. What? Okay, let's break this definition down and translate it into human language. So, more simply put, intermittent fasting is when you eat only between certain hours and do not consume anything of caloric significance afterwards. So you only drink water, tea, coffee, and non-caloric beverages. So what does it look like? Let's focus on one of the most used IF strategies. IF being the short for intermittent fasting. And this is called the 16-8. 16 plus 8 is 24, or 24 hours in a day. 16 denotes the number of hours of fasting or not eating per day, while 8 represents the number of hours when you eat. So in this case, you limit all your meals inside of an 8-hour window. You decide how many meals you have in this window. Outside of it, you only drink water and non-caloric beverages. You also get to decide when it's best for you to have this feeding window. It could be between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m., or between noon and 8 p.m., or between 4 p.m. at midnight, whatever works best for you. The key idea is to design your IF strategy according to the variables of your life, because this will make it easier for you to adhere to it over the long term. Now, what's my personal story? Well, I've been doing IF almost full-time since 2014, and I experimented with different variations of IF. I started with this one that I just described and ate only between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. I also experimented with eating at night. Then I reduced the eating window from 8 hours to 6 hours, to 4 hours, and even to 3 hours. Then I took a break from IF and restarted the whole thing again. So far, the one that I've been the most consistent with is an eating window of 4 to 6 hours, because it seems to fit well into my overall schedule. And since it doesn't inherently imply caloric restriction, one should try to eat all their maintenance calories in the eating window. So if we assume that my energy equilibrium is at 2500 calories per day, trying to eat this many calories in such a short time frame often becomes a pleasurable challenge. A short feeding window may make it easier to calorically restrict. But I guess this is the subject of another video. So if you enjoyed this one, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.